Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually under the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Sapil, or the brand of Sapil. Brand of Sapil is a subsidiary of House of Swiss Arabian from United Arab Emirates. They're like more affordable, more easier to access fragrances from Swiss Arabian. And I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, and each of them impressed me, especially for a price. This beauty is called Sapil Intense Noir and is Eau de Parfum 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20. If you go right now to Notino, they have it in stock under £20. Because the reason I'm saying this, because for the longest time I was waiting for it to come up, and I was searching and searching for probably more than a year, and I just bought it from Notino. So if you are in United Kingdom or Europe, Notino have it in stock. I'm not sure how many they have, so if you are looking for it, if you were waiting, this is the time for you to go and get it. So this one is, as I said, from their cheaper lineup of Swiss Arabian, and Swiss Arabian doesn't need introduction. They are one of the biggest houses from United Arab Emirates, perfume houses, and they are very beautiful fragrances. They make beautiful fragrances, they make very high-end fragrances, and they make them very high quality. So let's see how this one goes. And as always, Sapil boxes are quite on the simple side, but this is what I like. I always say that in my videos, that if you give me a simple presentation and simple boxes, it's better to give me a good juice. But if you give me a elaborate, over-the-top presentation but the juice is no good, it's just waste of time, waste of money, and waste of resources. So let's see how this one goes. The box is a bit tacky, but I don't care about that. The main player, the main attraction, the main boss is the bottle and the juice inside. And look at that beautiful bottle, very heavy bottle, nicely designed. It's quite attractive on the eye. Obviously under £20 this is superbly good. Very heavy bottle. The cap is quite not bad. It's quite a weight to it, but not bad. And it says Intense Noir for Men by Sapil, Eau de Parfum 100 ml. This one retails for £55, but as I said, right now Notino have it for under £20. Here we go. This is the atomizer. Okay, atomizer, not great but not bad either. It goes psh, 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 inside, psh, but it's acceptable for the price. So how is the smell in this beauty? Under 20 quid in United Kingdom. Intense Noir by Sapil, Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and here we go. And this is aimed for men. First sniff, first impression. Beauty! Yeah, another Creed Aventus inspired fragrance, and what a beauty it is. Just opened up like a perfume. There's no alcohol, no harshness. No harshness, no alcohol, no syntheticness. Wow, what an opening. Ooh, so massive on the citruses. At the moment, majority of what I'm getting is citrus and more citrus. So you need to like citrusy beginning of Creed Aventus, less than pineapple. So at the moment it's big on the lemon and bergamot, and also a little bit of grapefruit. What a beauty. I can't get over that big massive citrus, which is mainly lemon here. Okay, so what else I get? Definitely birchy. At the moment is mainly lemon and birch, and a little bit of pepperiness to it, like a fizzy champagne like to it. That pepper, probably black pepper in here. Yeah, definitely black pepper. I get a little bit of leathery feel to it, but not much. At the moment, is way in the background. But the main player right now for a first sniff, first impression is the citruses, mainly lemon, and more lemon, bergamot, a little bit of grapefruit in here, and plus that fizziness coming from that black pepper, which making it very, very attractive, very inviting, very basically lower you in to smell it even more. I just want to smell it and not talk to you. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I can smell all the usual suspect. The florals are here, the combination of that rose and jasmine, plus patchouli is there, plus the leather, plus the oak moss and the vanilla. So all the usual suspect for Creed Aventus are in here right now. But for first impression, the biggest players are by far the citruses and that pepper, plus a little bit of woodiness, which is mainly birch. Yeah, a little bit of musky feel to it as well, but again, in the background right now is not coming front for now. And also tiny bit of earthiness. The presentation little bit true to the smell, although it is quite bright and it's quite fresh, but just got a hint of darkness to it, and a hint of darkness is mainly coming from that pepper right now, and also the leather, and also a little bit of oak moss. So that little bit of darkness coming from these things. Overall, it's got an ambery body. It's quite sweet, and the sweetness comes from mainly the vanilla, but it's quite smooth, it's quite rounded, it's quite well blended. For under 20 quid, wow, what a bargain. This is amazing. OMG. Okay, so you need, if you like obviously Creed Aventus, you like this. If you want it very, very affordable, very reasonable, this is for you. If you want it, it's about on the peppery side, this is for you. If you want it mainly citrusy and lemony, this is for you. But majority of the components are in here, apart from that pineapple. The pineapple I can't smell at all, or very, very minimalistic. OMG, very nice, very nice. I love the citrus in here. I'm a big fan of citrus anyway, but when it's done in this combination of other notes, it's just heavenly. So for me, this is a very well done. Under 20 quid, this is a bargain, and well done, well blended, smells great, presentation great. So presentation to match, I mean, much better than the price I paid, under £20. Smell very good, much better than what I paid. This is at least few times what I paid in terms of smell. In terms of performance, I have to let you know in the next video the performance, the longevity, and things like that, because right now it's quite filling the room. But we have to wait and see, because with House of Sapil, majority of their fragrances are on the moderate and medium side of performance. But we have to wait and see how this one goes. So I will let you know in the next video. I will report it back. But for first impression, yes, this is quite on, let's go on the mature side, because of that darkness from pepper and the leather, plus that oak moss, a little bit on the darker side of things. So I would say this is a little bit on the mature side. But if you like this DNA, it doesn't mean anything. And also this is very, very good for all year round, summer, winter. Just you have to control the trigger in summer less, in winter more. And in terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. Dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, day, night, special occasion, you know, casual, anything you want really. It's very, very versatile smell in here. It's beautiful, beautiful, just up my alley. I love this DNA of Creed Aventus, and that's why I have more than 50 Creed Aventus inspired fragrances in my collection, for a good reason. And this is another one that I absolutely just basically attracted to. So for me, this is a beautiful fragrance. For a price, is a bargain. absolutely yes, highly recommended. But again, we have to wait and see for the performance and things like that in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume, I'm a perfumer myself. I'm making my own line of perfumes. They are the ingredients are come from my country, Iran, Persia, and that's why they call the scent of Persia. There are 18 of them. They're all different perfumes altogether, very different genres, and they are very unique, very artistic, very mysterious, very historic, time capsule like. It takes you to places, takes you to time, different time, and they are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. But you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.